At the end of the first round, GSTS has 8 points. St. Augustine's College has 14 points. Ketasco Senior High Technical School has 15 points. Round 2. This round is known as the speed race. The questions in the round are directed to all 3 schools simultaneously. For an opportunity to answer a question, you must ring for it. May I hear your bell, Keta? Thank you. Yours, St. Augustine's. Thank you. And yours, GSTS. Preamble to all schools. Mercury 2 may be precipitated as mercury 2 iodide by adding a sodium iodide solution to a solution of mercury 2 ions. That's the preamble. I hope you got it. All right. So now, first question. Give a balanced equation for the reaction of a solution of mercury 2 trioxo. Yes. Which of you? Joseph.
HGO plus NAI going into HGI2 plus Na2.
That's incorrect. A solution of mercury 2 trioxonitrate 5 and sodium iodide solution. Yes, Paul.
2 moles of NAI plus 1 mole of AgNO3 subscript 2, forming 1 mole of I2 plus 2 moles of NaNO3.
Yeah, you need to ring for it. Okay, go.
2 moles of HgNO3 plus 2 moles of NAI going into 2 moles of HgI2 plus 2 moles of NaNO3.
No. You were closest, Paul. You left out the Ag somewhere. So it's 2 NAI plus HgNO3 2 going to HgI2 plus 2 NaNO3. Next one. Calculate the mass in grams of mercury 2 iodide that can be precipitated from 100 centimeter cubed of 0.120 mole per decimeter cubed mercury 2 ions using excess sodium iodide solution. Atomic mass Hg is 201, I is 127. Eliasson.
5.46 grams.
Yes. Next one. Calculate the volume of 0.150 mole per decimeter cubed Ki solution needed to react completely with 50.0 centimeter cubed of 0.200 mole per decimeter cubed Hg2 plus. Agusco.
20.2 cm cube.
That's incorrect.
Calculate.
Paul.
20.0 cm cube.
No. The right answer is 133 centimeter cubed. Next set, 30 seconds. A small hole on a side of a heated ideal milk can emits radiation whose maximum intensity occurs at a wavelength of 2.50 micron. What is the temperature of the can? Joseph.
1160 Kelvin.
Yes. Next one. Find the length as observed in a laboratory of a meter stick moving at 0.6 c parallel to its length. Eliason.
0.8 meters.
Yes. Next one. Find the wavelength of the most energetic photon in the Balmer series of the hydrogen atom. Did they make it? They did.
Okay, madam. Madam.
Yes, Kwache.
We have 0.103 nanometers.
That's incorrect. The right answer is 366 nanometers. Next set, 10 seconds. Arrange the following to show the correct sequence of systemic circulation pathway. Left auricle, left ventricle, aorta, arteries, tissues, veins, right atrium.
You're telling me?
Yes.
Left auricle, left ventricle, aorta, tissues, veins, and right auricle. You didn't tell me.
Who next? GSTS.
Left ventricle.
Okay. Agusco.
The left auricle, the left ventricle, the aorta, the arteries, the tissues, and the veins, and the right auricle.
I'm moving on. Go. Go.
Left auricle, left ventricle, aorta, arteries, tissues, and veins.
No. Please, I gave you specific terms and I was waiting for the same terms. The right answer is this. Left auricle, left ventricle, aorta, arteries, tissues, veins, right atrium. Whether it's the same or not, that's the one I gave. Next one. Farmers often rotate corn, a cereal crop, and cowpeas, planting a field with each crop. Yes, Agusco.
Madam, the cowpea is a leguminous crop and will fix nitrogen into the soil so as to improve the soil fertility. And when that is done, it replaces the lost nutrients in the soil. And when the maize is also grown on the soil, the maize will be able to acquire nutrients for its growth.
I'm not accepting it. So, with each crop in alternate seasons, what advantage might this crop rotation confer? Yes, John.
The cowpea is a leguminous crop and then release atmospheric nitrogen into the soil. This will increase the soil fertility, agricultural productivity, and maintain the soil fertility of the soil.
How is that different? Okay, I needed a little bit more detail about how it does it, right? So cowpeas are able to fix nitrogen in their roots. These roots are not harvested, so you can't harvest all of them. So some are left at the end of the growing season. The below ground nitrogen can be used in the next season by the corn. So I needed a bit more detail. All right, next one. What might be the effect on an animal of not being able to perceive taste? Agusco.
When the animal is not able to perceive taste, it might feed on other food substances that might be harmful to it, and it will not be able to differentiate between poisonous substances and food substances that it's supposed to eat.
Okay. "30 seconds. This is the last set, by the way. Find two natural numbers with a mean of 25 and such that one number increased by 1 is twice the other number." Yes, which of you? Pache?
Okay, madam. The first number, we're having the first number to be equal to 49/3.
No. Who ran next? Yes. Eliason.
The first number is 17, and the second number is 33.
Yes. Next one. Solve for x from the linear equation. 5 multiplied by the expression 2x plus 4 minus 3 multiplied by the expression 4x minus 6 is equal to 2 multiplied by the expression 20 minus x. Yes. Eliason.
X is equal to half.
That's incorrect. Agusco.
Madam, x equals 2.
That's incorrect. There is no solution. Last one. Determine if the pair of lines 6x minus 4y is equal to 5 and 8y minus 12x is equal to 5 are parallel. Eliason.
They are parallel.
Yes. That's the end of the second round. At the end of the second round, GSTS has 4 points. Ketasco Senior High Technical School has 11 points. St. Augustine's College has 25 points.